Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, Your Excellency, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, and the Acting CS, Ministry of Interior and National Administration, Honorable Dr. Musalia Mudavadi, the Principal Secretary, Interior, and the Principal Secretary for Correctional Services, the Chairperson, National Police Service Commission, the service commanders present, the development partners present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Your Excellency, sir, today marks a very important day for the National Police Service and the Prison Service as we launch the National Police Service 2023-27 and the Prison Strategic Plan for the same period. We feel greatly honored by your presence. On behalf of the National Police Service, I thank you, Your Excellency, for accepting our invitation to officiate this significant event. The National Police Service is one of the national security organs and plays a critical role in our national security. With the launch of this strategic plan, therefore, we now have a roadmap with a clear vision to guide the police for the next 5 years towards the realization of its primary mandate of securing our country. The plan is built upon the successes made and the lessons learned from the implementation of the 2018-22 strategic plan, and has also incorporated recommendations of the Maraga Task Force report on police reforms, with a common goal to have an efficient, professional, responsive, and people-centered police service. Similarly, the current plan embraces the spirit of Article 244 of the Constitution of Kenya that establishes the police as a professional, disciplined, transparent, and accountable service. In a nutshell, Your Excellency, sir, the National Police Service has embarked on a transformative journey to turn our police stations into centers of excellence for police operations and the service delivery to the public. To achieve this, priority areas are training, mental health, and fighting corruption within the service. Towards this end, we are currently training officers of various cadres of responsibility, including station, sub-county, and county police commanders, to standardize their capacity in operational, command, and police administration. In the spirit of community policing, we are appreciative that all Kenyans and stakeholders have a role to play in national security. Consequently, this plan has laid out a robust strategy for collaboration with the communities and development partners. Already, we have entered collaboration with the Kenya School of Government and the Huduma Centers, and developed a program in customer service for training of officers to improve service delivery to the public and build the much-needed trust and confidence between the public and the police. I am glad to report to Your Excellency that customer service training manual will be launched alongside the strategic plan. As I conclude, sir, I wish to give you my reassurance and that of the National Police Service of our commitment to strive for the highest standards of professionalism. Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, at the same time, I would wish to request for a single minute, because currently we are collaborating with the Kenya School of Government, and we have a very robust plan on the way going forward to make our police stations the center of police operations. So I would wish that the CEO, Professor Noor, please, 1 minute only.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, IG, PSS President, great people, good morning. Your Excellency,